planning a journey with multiple stops. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to add extra stops to your route in Google Maps. Let's make your travels smoother and more organized. Start by opening the Google Maps app on your device. Ensure you're using the latest version for all the features. Enter your first destination in the search bar and start navigation. Google Maps will calculate your route as usual. Once navigation begins, tap the three dots in the upper right corner of the screen. This will open a menu with more options. From the menu, select Add Stop. Type in the name or address of the additional stop you'd like to include, such as a gas station, cafe, or any other location. After entering the stop, tap Done, and Google Maps will instantly update your route to include the new stop. If needed, you can repeat the process to add more stops. And there you have it! Your route now includes all your planned stops, making your trip as flexible as you like. If this tutorial made your trip planning easier, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tips. Safe travels and enjoy your adventure with Google Maps.